Every great app starts as an idea, but how do you turn that idea into a system that scales to millions of users? If your system can't handle traffic spikes, you'll lose users. Let's build it the right way. Before coding, define your requirements. What does it do? Who is it for? How much traffic will it handle? A real-time chat needs low latency, while an e-commerce site needs high availability. Start simple with a monolithic design, but as traffic grows, move to microservices for scalability and fault tolerance. For high-speed data processing, use event-driven architecture with Kafka or RabbitMQ. Your database choice determines performance. Use SQL for banking apps, consistency. Use NoSQL for social media, fast, flexible storage. To scale, use sharding, split data across servers, and replication, backup copies. As users grow, a single server won't survive. Use load balancers to distribute traffic. Speed up responses with Redis caching and CDNs, content delivery networks, to handle static content. No system is perfect. Plan for failures with auto-recovery and multi-region deployment. With Kubernetes, your app automatically scales up or down as needed. Automate everything with CI/CD pipelines, GitHub Actions, Jenkins, for fast, error-free releases. Deploy globally on AWS, GCP, or Azure for high availability and security. Monitor performance with Datadog, Prometheus, or New Relic to prevent failures before they happen. Once your system is stable, optimize with edge computing, database tuning, and AI-driven load balancing. And that's how you scale from an idea to millions of users. Want deep dives on system design? Comment below.